Hey guys, it's Andrew Murray here, and I'm going to show you how you can use Creative Commons videos in your video projects and not have to pay for royalty-free footage, which can be expensive. So let's get into it. All right, well, the easiest place to find footage is if you go to YouTube. All right, so the easiest place to find footage is to go to YouTube, and you can do a search for what it is that you want to find. So let's say you wanted to find drone shots of California. So I've done a search here, and what you're going to want to do in order to use Creative Commons is to use a Creative Commons filter here. So there's a filter here, there's a lot of different things you can filter, and Creative Commons is a specific license that allows you to reuse the clip in your own video project, so in a new video project. So it doesn't allow you to just post the same video again. It wants you to do something creative with it. You can use it as a source as part of your video project, or put a filter on it, or do some other kind of edit so it becomes something new. Okay, that's the purpose of Creative Commons and the Creative Commons license. So what you'll do is you will click on a video that you like, and the easiest thing to do is to start a spreadsheet for this, because you'll want to make a note of the actual clip. Then you're going to want to contact the people who have created this clip and ask if you can use the clip, and ask for the video file so you can use the clip. Now, the easiest way to do that is to go to the About page, and then you can click, if you're logged into YouTube, you'll be able to click View Email Address, and it may throw up a CAPTCHA here, and we'll do the CAPTCHA, and then we will, I thought I got the crosswalk right on there. Sometimes these things drive me batty, and fill out the CAPTCHA, and then you will send them an email and say, I would like to use this clip that you just picked in your video project. It does have Creative Commons license, and you might want to mention that in the email, and just ask that you're looking for the original clip, and if you could use that, and they will send it to you. So that's one thing that you can do. Now I'm going to show you a couple other things that you can do in order to get clips really fast. One of my favorite places is Video Blocks. There'll be a link in the description. Video Blocks is now called actually Storyblocks. It has the best royalty-free clips, and you can just, what's nice about this is pay once for the year, and then you can download any of these clips. A lot of them are in 4K, no waiting, you can just download them right away. One other resource that I want to share with you, Pixabay. A lot of people might know that you can find images on Pixabay for free, but you can also find videos. So you can go to the video tab and then search for drone, let's say California. These ones will be sponsored, so these are from iStock, but anything down here, you can actually download right away and use in your video project. And so you see, these are some pretty nice drone shots that you can use. It shows you how long the clip is, and if you click into the clip, then you can download it for free, and it will give you the various sizes that particular clip is available in. Now, there's lots of really cool clips here. I'll just search for food to give you an example, and you'll see that there's a lot of different clips, from wheat flowing in the wind to coffee spilling onto more coffee, to cooking, to whatever else you can find. So those are some ways where you can actually use some Creative Commons clips or get into royalty-free clips for your video projects. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has helped you out, please give it a like, give me a subscribe, and smash that like button. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video. I do appreciate that. Hit me up in the next video. Now, if you are interested in video editing, check out the video clips that are appearing on your screen right now. They will help you become better at video editing.